Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hey, my name is Michelle. Very nice to meet you. And if you guys are coming back, hey, what's up? So this is part 4, I think, of my cleanser series that I'm doing. Pretty much I went ahead and got a product to do a Wacky Weird Wednesday for, which is a device that will make any type of cleanser into a foam cleanser. And so that brought up a video on the different type of cleansers they are out there. And so I decided, well, let me go ahead and do some small videos showing how those cleansers work on your face. And so today I'm going to be doing a powder cleanser, and that's what this one is. This is an enzyme cleansing powder here, and so this is by JKosmmune. I messed that up, you guys, really bad. And so what this is that enzyme cleansing powder effectively removes dead skin and skin waste, making the skin toner and brighter. You tear one pack and pour enzyme cleanser powder into your palm. Add a little bit of warm water. Work up a gentle lather, massage into face and body. Leave on for 20 seconds and rinse thoroughly. And so this is free of parabens, ethyl, talc, mineral oil, silicone oil, benzophone, and a couple of other things, you guys. So there are different types of foam, powdered cleansers. I know Mary Brodesky has one. I know I have one that's a vitamin C one. I have this one. I have a few of them. And so I don't use them all the time, but I do have them around because I like to switch on my skincare sometimes. One of my favorite ones that I have is that I use the Exfoliate, Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser. This is one of my favorite ones that I use all the time, but sometimes I have different issues that are going on with my skin, and so I need to change it up just a little bit. And they do say that you have to give a cleanser some time before you kind of like say, hey, this is really working for my face, or no, it's not. I mean, if it breaks you out, then no, it's not working. But if to really see a benefit of a product, a serum, a cleanser, is that you need to use it more than one time. You have to use it for a couple of weeks in order to see any benefits from it sometimes. And right now, one of my things that I'm dealing with is I'm having a little bit of a breakout. I have one there. I have one that popped up a little bit more here. I've had a few that have gone closer over to my hairline, and it's just the changing of the weather. I have one over here. And so I had been using in conjunction with my Kate Somerville, I've been using the Systolic Cleansing Gel Cleanser by MAD, and that one has been helping with my breakouts, or helping me not have any more breakouts. And I generally do this only once a day, and I've now getting to the point that I'm doing it every other day, kind of like. I'm not using it as much. At first I used it almost every day, but it becomes very drying on your skin, so I have to use a lot more moisturizers and facial oils and stuff to bring back at night some of that moisture into my face. But it does help with my breakouts. So this is what the powdered cleanser comes in, little sachets like this. And I find these are not like facial scrubs. They're not like the harsh, like the apricot facial scrubs. They don't have very big particles on them. But this, I think, is a little bit more gentle than a scrub on your face. So if you have sensitive skin, but yet you want to get that benefit of a exfoliating scrub, you could try to use something along the line of the powdered powders, and it will give you that almost that same action that you're trying to, get stuff out of your skin, because that's what scrubs do. They help lift up stuff, and it has those particles that take off a little bit more on your skin. So that's why I do like these. So the powder is in my hand right there. And so let me do this first. Sorry. I have a little bowl here that has water because, as I said in my other video, it's so much easier to do it this way than to film this on my phone and then put it on the computer. So now all I'm doing is I'm putting a little bit of drops of water in here because I don't like when it's too runny. I like when it's like this consistency, that it's a little bit thicker. See how it's not totally running? So I don't like when it's too watery because then, I don't know, I just don't like it. So I just mix it all up, and then all I do is I'm going in circles. Sorry, I have to put, when I'm at my sink, my face is so totally saturated. Because normally what I do when I wash my face at the sink, I make sure that I wet my face and I splash water on it quite a couple of times. So this way my face is quite hydrated and loosening it up stuff. And that's what I'm going to do the last of it. And yes, I always bring stuff down to my neck. And the last part I always do is my face. So see how easy it is to use the powdered ones? I find that the powdered ones are also good that if you're going on trips and stuff like that, it's easier to carry. All you need a little bit of water, and that is it. So instead of worrying about, oh, how much liquids do I have, they don't take very much room because, like I said, in this one, this is my, there is a bunch of sachets in there. There was about 30 in here, so I've used a few. I've given some away. So now all I'm going to do is take it off. ASMR water. And that's all I'm going to do. Now, I find with these type of cleansers, I don't find them very drying. So if you have drier, sensitive skin, this will probably work very good for you. Get my neck. Got my neck. And then, as always, you guys, you should never go ahead and take a towel and just go like this on your face. You should go ahead and pat your face dry. And generally, I have a towel that I have in my bathroom that I go ahead and do this. All right. So, as I say, I don't find this to be very drying. I've used this a couple of times. I've used a couple of other different powdered cleansers. I do enjoy them. Like I said, I would say that I would either I rotate between a powder cleanser and a regular scrub. And the reason why I like to maybe twice a month go ahead and do a really good scrub with an exfoliating scrub, just to really get everything out of there, get it out, you know, congested. And then I would do like a face mask or something afterwards, just to kind of like calm it down, because I've just now scrubbed out this face so bad. So I would do it maybe like on a Thursday or Friday. I'll do a exfoliating scrub, and then that Sunday, that Monday, I would go ahead and make sure I do a face mask, just to, you know, give my face a little TLC after I've done the scrub. I don't do them right back to each other. So that is it for this video, you guys. That's how I use my powdered cleansers. I use more of a cream cleanser. I've done a powdered one. I've done a gel one. There is still the exfoliating scrub one, which I don't have in a true exfoliating scrub one. So I have to see if I could find one of those. And pretty much the next one is going to be a foam one. And the foam one, which I'm going to really do with the foam one, is that I am going to go ahead and use this little bad boy, which is going to make any of your cleansers more like a foam, like a whipped cleanser. And so I'm excited to see if it works. So make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button, because I really would love to have new family and friends here, you guys. Let's get this party bigger. Also, go ahead and hit that notification bell, the little ring ding ding, so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. Also, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share me out, you guys, because that really does help my channel to grow. Lets YouTube know that you're liking what I'm doing here. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, fabulous day. I want you guys to stay safe out there, and I will see you on my next video. And of course, like I said, my skin feels so nice. It feels so nice and smooth. Now, if only I could get these little bad boys out of here, then I will be right as rain. You know what I mean? Talking about rain, it's raining outside. But I will see you guys on my next video. Like I said, oh, it feels so smooth. See you then. Bye.